Hello, I am N.R. Ruchita Raj and I am going to give a solution on surveillance of art gallery. So what is the problem? The art gallery problem is formulated in geometry as the minimum number of guards that need to be placed in an n-vertex simple polygon such that all points of the interior are visible. A simple polygon is a connected closed region whose boundary is defined by a finite number of line segments. Visibility is defined such that two points U and V are mutually visible if the line segment joining them lies inside the polygon. So, this problem is nothing but to find the minimum number of guards needed to observe the entire gallery at the same time. So, okay, let's take a simple example. Consider a thief entering into a person's house and the person is standing in the hall. So, that person may find the sound of entering, means he would sense that there is someone inside the room. But if he is in the hall, he can't know where exactly the thief is there. So, this is exactly what we want to do in a surveillance. In an art gallery, we want to know exactly what's entirely happening in a room, in a art gallery. So, for that there are many steps that are taken. Okay. Now, for a convex polygon, means the polygons having internal angle less than 180 degree, one guard is sufficient to observe the entire gallery. It's both for convex and concave. So as I've shown in the images, one is convex and another one is concave. They're telling that one person, if that person is made to stand at the center of that polygon and rotate around in a 360 degree, so that person will know what is happening entirely in a room. Like if we stand in a hall, we don't know what's happening inside the room. But if we stand inside a room, we know what's happening in the room. So that is the exact concept over here. So if a person is made to stand at the center of a polygon and made to rotate in and around in a 360 degree, so that person will know what's happening in the entire room. So this is a simple concept. Now going here. Worst case scenario. For a polygon with n vertices, worst case scenario is n by 3. That is, n by 3 guards are required. So what's the solution? So there are 3 steps, and first step is triangulate the polygon. Triangulation is nothing but dividing a polygon into multiple number of triangles. And there is a simple idea, like a polygon can be triangulated n number of times, and if we join all the triangle together, we have to get the same polygon shapes. Okay, so let's take a simple example, like see, triangle. So there are different polygons and each are triangulated. Even a triangle can be triangulated multiple number of times. And here we see a polygon and a rectangle which are triangulated. So this is a certain shape. Like if we take a triangle, it's a triangle, and in a rectangle, so it's a rectangle and we can divide it. But if we take a polygon of n sides which are random, so as shown here, it's random. Like you can't tell it exactly what the shape is. So we have to triangulate it. And there is a rule that the vertices, the line joining two vertices should be done internally. It should not be external. So the image which I have shown in the right hand side, I have connected two vertices externally. This is not allowed. All the vertices should be connected internally. That is how it should be done. So this is the first step. Okay. The second step. Show that for such a diagonal triangulation of the polygon, its vertices can be colored with 3 colors such that all three colors are present in every triangle of the triangulation. Okay. As I've said before, like a polygon can be triangulated many times, and each triangle should be such that all the vertices, means the three vertices should have three different colors, and no two vertices should have the same color. So I have done it like red, green and blue. So this is how I have done. And when I am joining it, obviously I will get a polygon. So this is the second rule. And the third rule. Choose the vertices of the polygon, assign the least frequent color. Okay. So the example I have taken here, I have a total number of vertices is 8, and if I take red, there are 3 red vertices, 3 blue vertices and 2 green vertices. Among these 3, green vertices is the least frequent color. So as it is stated, choose the vertices of the polygon, assign the least frequent color. So green is the least frequent color since it has only 2 vertices in the given polygon. Any one has to be n by 3 round down or less. That is R or B or green, that is red or blue or green, should be less than equal to n by 3, means approximately n by 3. So if I am taking, so n is 8 over here, 8 by 3, what am I getting? So it is approximately to 2 when I am rounding it. I am getting exactly the same. The least frequent color is green and I have 2 vertices, and 8 by 3 approximation I am getting it as 2. So the condition is satisfied. So from this, what I am telling, like what the solution, it ends up telling that if I am taking green color separately, just avoiding other colors and just taking 2 green color, that is the number of guards which is actually needed for the whole hall, for the whole polygon to get surveyed. Means if I am having 2, so in the spot of that green vertices, if I am having 2 guards, those are the only guards needed for the whole room to be surveyed. So we can choose either green or even blue or even red. So this is the primary idea for solving this problem, and this is how it is done. Thank you.